ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi ta ka Frank Motors. Ka Tata Safari ka SUV ka bapaw tam jong ka India minta kalami ha ka jinglong batmai ringkat bat khatsan teligi features baningkong e ha ka segment. La play ye ki booking but ya ki jing tip bakambnia one shaka Frank Motors lat ko ringi lani phone hau number hinyo not sausan ar not hinyo khanda hinyo lai.
Bak Prestone dan song belong sembut Menteri Rangba jangka jelau la Takraiñ ting ya ke Voice of the People Party bat kenok ru bakani ke sengsan berthek la Pynlong Ishu Politik ya ke jing shimra jangka sarkar ban ai jaka sa iwei point saw akar na ke jaka jangka Shillong Municipal Board ban penkenria ya ke beri ke basa athem yo molong. Hak jing kran bek la pathai ku bor ba Prestone la kenok ru bak Voice of the People Party ke shukun thok klem da tip ya ke jing shisha ba klem ti binya ya ke jing don jong ki beri ke basa athem yo molong. Shu la pensyai baka jaka ka ba iwei point saw akar kamde setia ka baka sarkar ka shu ai e shiki lais pa sa pu artli ki long yeng ki basa athem yo molong hendai ka ne ka jaka ka bala item sa iwei point saw akar ka dehi ka jaka jong ka Shillong Municipal Board.
Leaders who criticize the decision taken by the government, they are playing a politics. It's a political game only that they do. Without knowing the reality, without knowing even the actual numbers of the residents of that place. So I don't want to debate, I don't want to waste time with this kind of issues which they raise. Number two, when we say we need additional land of 1.4 of 1.5 acres, means this land will not be transferred to these people. It should be transferred, it should be handed over to Shillong Municipal Board. Simple. It does not belong to them. This land belongs to the Shillong Municipal Board. That's what I'm saying. Don't play politics unnecessarily. If you need clarification, come and meet me. I will explain to you everything. So you can't just mislead people. I think enough is enough. Balikin dia keren hakata kulti. Ban persang ban persutu baklayu pajba jongi. Ngong pi hamno bagi ong bangin aja ka ya kita. Ngong pi ka jaka ngin aja ka Shillong Municipal Board. Barki Shillong Municipal Board kan selek ikut dan kam kum kinong trei jong ka Shillong Municipal Board. Dan rai ngong pi ngai ke statement joki. Hana bala da phimla manta IT hangi ka VP. Kai ka bikin lek maki. Habaki brio ki bom tip tangu au bi klep tip ya kemen kendo. Ki persang ban persutu baklai ki pai ba ki jongi. I think enough is enough. Upai ba ngatrai usutu ba kita. Tengah kerpat ye kena leaders. But kim day ban sutu bakla. But kim day ru ban mislead. Ye ki pai ba jong ke jala jongi.